Hey guys, so I just watched a video from Alex Hormozi, who's basically saying what he would do if he had to start again with no money. And what he was saying was he would find like a chiropractor or a nail salon or something like that. Ask them what is the lowest price that they would take for, say, 100 customers. So you ask the chiropractor, if I got you 100 customers, what money would you take from them? So I'm going to bring you the customers. They're going to pay you, say 100 customers, they pay you £1,000 each. So I'm going to earn you £100,000, right? For your new customers. So that's what the company gets. The company gets the customers get the service. And then you pay for the marketing and for the sales process and converting the leads. For that company. But you charge the price. So maybe you say, one-off payment of £2,000 will get you this gym, but then you'll also get access to I don't know, maybe another service and another service. You bundle services together, so you collect the money on top. So you collect maybe £1,000, so you could collect £100,000. I suppose the thing that confuses me is the idea that what does the customer carry on paying after you've left? Because you can't keep getting paid. Unless you do keep getting paid? They keep paying that higher price? Interesting. Well, if you understand that concept a little bit better than me, let me know. But that's really interesting. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.